My refrigerator is leaking water inside the freezer.
Well, luckily for you, you know my dad is a refrigerator repairman, don't you?
Yes, I do. Is he the lonely Maytag repairman?
He works for Whirlpool, however, I know enough about the business to help you.
What should I do?
You need to open the freezer, and check the automatic ice maker. Run the ice maker through an entire cycle.
Okay, what am I looking for?
You want to make sure that the ice is being expelled, and the water tray is filling properly. If you see that the ice-making apparatus is not functioning, make sure you replace the ice maker.
Okay, I can check the ice maker. What else should I be on the lookout for?
You can clean the seals and the lining around the freezer. Use an all-purpose and anti-mildew cleaner.
Okay, I can do that. That should be easy.
One way you can check the seal is to hold a dollar bill between the seal and door, and see if the door closes and latches properly. You can check the seal that way, and make sure it is tight. For seals that are not tight, make sure that you replace the seal.
Okay, will do. You are so bright I need to wear sunglasses.
Also, disconnect the drain tube from the freezer and flush with water. Make sure you have a bucket it can drain into.
Okay, I will do that. You are such a great refrigerator repairman, daughter.
Okay, one other thing. Make sure that you defrost off the evaporator coils that are inside the freezer. You may also need to defrost the condenser pan and replace it.
Okay, wow. This sure sounds like a tall order.
You can do it, pal.